My colleague, Secretary of State Sarai, and I would like to provide you with an update on the unfolding humanitarian crisis in Nepal and China. Moments ago, I spoke with Nepal's ambassador to Canada, who updated me with the following information. 579 bodies have been recovered so far, and another 1,924 people are missing. 517 of those individuals are foreign nationals. A catastrophic flash flood and mudslides along the Nepal China border have left hundreds of people dead and more than 1,000 people missing. Nepal is facing a devastating humanitarian emergency with catastrophic damage. Families and homes are destroyed. Mudslides have wiped away villages and infrastructure, including bridges. Communities have been cut off from essential services, including telecommunications. In terms of the update, as of today, we are aware of 32 Canadians, some of whom are permanent residents, whose whereabouts have not yet been confirmed. We have a 24-hour emergency watch response center based in Ottawa that is responding to calls. We know that this is a rapidly evolving situation. These numbers that I've provided will likely change given that more rain is expected. Water levels and volumes are expected to rise, and Canadians in the region should monitor the situation closely and follow the advice of local authorities.
Initial estimates are that approximately 100,000 people are in need of urgent humanitarian assistance. People need food, clean water, shelter, healthcare, and sanitation, and they need that help quickly. That's why today we are announcing that Canada is providing $5 million in humanitarian assistance to support emergency relief efforts in Nepal. The funding will help trusted humanitarian partners on the ground, such as the Red Cross, Canadian NGOs, and UN organizations, deliver life-saving assistance to those who need it most. We have also offered to deploy relief supplies from our emergency stockpiles by the Canadian Red Cross should they be requested. In addition to this new announcement, joint pool funds that Canada regularly contributes to have been activated. This includes a drawdown of $100 million from the International Federation of Red Cross Disaster Response Emergency Fund to the Nepal Red Cross, and $2 million from the UN Central Emergency Response Fund to support immediate life-saving assistance. Les opérations de recherche, de sauvetage et de récupération sont toujours en cours. We remain in close contact with our partners on the ground to assess how Canada can best support. Our focus remains on the people who have been affected and on helping families get through what I can only imagine to be a living nightmare. Everyone who has lost a loved one, a home, or a livelihood, Canada stands with you in this difficult time.
We know that there are more Canadians that are in the region than calls that we are receiving. And in particular, we have received 129 calls. That number is somewhat ambiguous, though, because they do include repeat callers. In the last 24 hours, the number of Canadians in terms of volume of calls coming in is increasing, but that is incrementally the case. And so in terms of registered Canadians, I'm just going to get that number for you exactly, and I will provide it to you. In particular, it's 866 Canadians have registered with us in Nepal, and over 10,000 Canadians have registered with us in China. We know that further flooding is a possibility given the glacier that has collapsed. That's the reason for the original flood. But given that more rain is expected, the water volume is believed to be nearing dangerous levels. There are some reports now that there has been further collapses of infrastructure owing to that greater volume in water. But given the terrain, it is very difficult to specifically state how much there will be devastation given this rising water volume. We have no notifications of Canadians within the numbers of confirmed deaths that have been provided by the Nepalese government. Those 32 Canadians are unaccounted for, but no Canadian deaths have been confirmed.